Now the topic before us is antivirus in action responding to detected threats. Now the question before us is what actions does antivirus commonly take when it detects malicious software on a computer system? So the answer is when antivirus software detects malware on a computer system, it typically takes the following actions. Number one, issues an alert. The user is notified about having detected malware by way of on screen pop ups or taskbar notifications or even email or mobile alerts. The user is notified about having been found about a malware. This alert contains the details about the malware, its severity, or and also the recommended actions to address the threat. Next is automatically neutralizes the threat. Sometimes, if the antivirus software finds that the infection is on the high side, that is, file is heavily infected, then it may decide to automatically act by quarantining the file or deleting the file without any explicit alert to the user. Further, antivirus generally takes one or the more following actions to protect the system and its data. So, what action the antivirus will take? It depends on the antivirus software as well as its configurations. So, what actions the antivirus takes to protect the system and data on finding a malware? These are the actions: quarantine, repair or disinfection, deletion of the file, blocking of the file, or system scan. We will discuss each of these actions which are taken by the antivirus software one by one. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.